On this episode of the Miniac Auto Club, many years back, Ford made the dramatic and downright dumb decision to discontinue small cars in the US market. In their infinite wisdom, they decided large trucks and SUVs were better for them, and largely that had to do with how much money they could make off of them. Unfortunately for us hot hatch and sports car enthusiasts, that made fewer small, fun-to-drive cars available in the US market. However, across the pond, you all get quite a wide variety of small and incredibly fun cars to drive. This is the 2024 Ford Focus ST Edition. The ST Edition is considered by Ford to be the most complete Ford hot hatch ever. We'll see. According to Ford, the Focus ST Edition combines a race car style adjustable suspension, Brembo front brakes, and EcoBoost power to deliver road and track ready responsiveness. This specification also gets B&O audio, driver assist pack, and winter pack as standard. The color is a unique Azura blue with high gloss black detailing and a distinctive motion blue interior stitching to create quite the head-turning look for this car. The Focus ST Edition comes with a Ford performance-tuned adjustable coilover suspension that allows enthusiast owners to fine-tune driving dynamics to their personal preferences. The two-way adjustable coilover suspension system is produced by KW Suspension and features twin-tube stainless steel damper housings and powder-coated springs. The result is a ride height lowered to 10 mm front and rear compared to the standard Focus ST, thus creating greater balance and control, and a further adjustment of 20 mm is available to the customer should they wish to go lower. Spring rates are increased by more than 50% compared to the standard Ford Focus ST. For those of you with OCD, like myself, Ford will supply a technical document providing recommended suspension settings for a variety of driving conditions, including specific settings for the Nordschleife, should you find yourself there. Add to this alloy wheels made using a flow-forming process, which you'll find used quite often in aerospace components, along with Brembo brakes for stopping. And those Brembos will prove quite useful in corralling this Focus, as it boasts a 280 horsepower 2.3-liter EcoBoost, with a 0 to 62 time of 5.7 seconds and over 300 pound-feet of torque. With all this sportiness and responsiveness, you get a very comfortable interior along with it as well, so don't think it is solely for the weekend trip to Silverstone, Brands Hatch, or if you're feeling adventurous, the Nürburgring. It's just as capable on a trip to Tesco or the pub, and yes, I threw that in there for those British fans of mine over there because I know you're there and I know you're watching. The lightweight 19-inch alloy wheels are 10% lighter than the standard wheels on the Focus ST, and wrapped in high-performance Pirelli P0 Corsa tires to optimize acceleration, braking, and cornering. One of my favorite things about this plucky little hatchback is the fact that it is equipped exclusively with a 6-speed manual gearbox, no automatic in sight. However, if you would like an automatic transmission, there are other Ford Focus ST models available with one. As far as those comfort and safety bits go, you also get a driver assist package, which includes adaptive cruise control with speed sign recognition and lane centering, along with blind spot information system with cross-traffic alert. For your tunes, a 675-watt B&O premium sound system with 10 speakers and a subwoofer should be just what you need. Should the weather turn chilly, the standard winter pack includes a heated steering wheel and a quick clear, heated windscreen for rapid defrosting in icy conditions. I've always wondered why they don't have heated windshields in the US. They have them everywhere else but here. Quite an exciting little 5-door hot hatch, and one that I wouldn't mind having in the US, if Ford ever came to their senses and decided to bring small cars back to the US. Until next time, this is your forever fan of the Mini brand, signing off.